Good morning, people. So say Christmas, yes, so we have to make up the good sorrel them. So this is some sorrel that I bought at Walmart, and this is some ginger that I also bought at Walmart. I'm gonna have to get some more out the fridge. And this packet of sorrel is some sorrel that I got at the Jamaican store that I purchased the barrel. When I went there to purchase the barrel, they had some sorrel, so I picked some up. So we're about to make the sorrel right now. Over here I have the pot on the stove, so I'm just gonna let the pot boil up, and I'm gonna blend the ginger, and then I'm gonna pour the blended ginger into the water, and then I'm just gonna I'm gonna wash the sorrel first and foremost. Before anything, I'm gonna wash the sorrel, and meanwhile the sorrel is being washed, I'm gonna put the ginger in the blender and blend the ginger, and then I'm gonna pour it in here, and then I'm gonna put the sorrel in and just leave it there overnight to soak up the goodness, make the sorrel and the ginger combine together. And then tomorrow I'm gonna strain it. I'm gonna sweeten it, and then I'm gonna strain it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, over here I'm just washing it, and then I'm gonna pour it out in the pot. I'm just blending up the ginger now, then I'm gonna pour it into the ginger is finished blended, so I'm just gonna pour it out in the pot like so. And then I'm gonna let it boil for probably like 10 minutes. Let it boil, and then I'm gonna put the sorrel inside and let it sit overnight. Let's pour the sorrel in, and I'm just gonna cover it and leave it overnight, as I said before. And then tomorrow I'm gonna sweeten it and then strain it. So I'll come back tomorrow and show you guys what it looked like. Okay, so after soaking overnight, this is what it currently looks like. It's looking rich and red, so I'm just gonna give it a stir, and then I'm gonna sweeten it and then I'm gonna strain it. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but it's looking red and rich. This is what it's currently looking like, guys. I have sweetened it and strained it. I'll show you. This is how red and rich it is. Rich, like real rich. Smells so good and tastes so good. So yeah, people, that's my way of making the sorrel. I don't know if anybody knows any other way, but that's my way. Leave it in the comments if you know another way of making it. This is the amount I've gotten. Full big jug. Full. I did not expect to get so much. This is like 1 gallon. 1 gallon. So yeah, it's a lot. 1 gallon of sorrel. This gonna last me for a long time, bro. Only thing left to add in there is the good old JB. Okay, and it's good to go. Good to go.